The journey, the giants, and humanity's golden age. The journey begins, and beyond the horizon of time, discoveries await. September 5, 1977. From Cape Canaveral, Florida, a single rocket rose into the sky. But it carried more than metal and circuitry. It carried humanity's oldest dreams, the questions we've asked since we first looked at the stars, the courage to venture beyond the known, the desire to touch the unreachable. Its name was Voyager 1, and alongside its twin, Voyager 2, it was destined to become one of humanity's most remarkable achievements. A mission that would travel farther than any before, revealing realms of space that no human eye had ever seen. At that time, the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, were distant mysteries. To Earth-bound telescopes, they were blurred, faint, almost ethereal dots. To reach them, to touch them with our instruments, seemed impossible. To photograph them clearly was a dream that had not yet been realized. Voyager's mission was audacious. Reach Jupiter and Saturn, study their atmospheres, photograph their moons, measure their magnetic fields, and relay every discovery across billions of miles of emptiness. Fragile, yes, but bold. Its computers were simpler than a modern smartwatch, yet every component, every sensor, every line of code was crafted with the care of engineers daring to defy gravity itself. Voyager was meant to last 5 years. It would not stop for 50. Journey through the giants. Voyager 1 approached Jupiter, the gas giant that rules the outer solar system. Storms swirled across its surface, colossal and violent, with lightning bolts stretching thousands of miles. The Great Red Spot, a hurricane older than civilization itself, raged endlessly. Around Jupiter, moons danced. Io erupted with molten fire, Europa glimmered with frozen oceans beneath its icy crust, and Ganymede and Callisto revealed surfaces scarred and sculpted by ancient impacts. Voyager's cameras captured these worlds in unprecedented detail. Humanity learned for the first time that moons could be alive in their own way, dynamic and vibrant, not mere satellites but unique worlds. Every image changed textbooks, rewrote science, and expanded our understanding of what a solar system could be. Next came Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Its rings, once thought solid, revealed themselves as billions of icy fragments, each one reflecting sunlight, each one moving in precise, delicate harmony. Voyager transformed Saturn from a distant mystery into a living masterpiece of cosmic engineering. Every photograph sent back was a postcard from the frontier of creation, every signal a whisper saying, "We are here. We are seeing. We are learning." Beyond the edge, but Voyager's path did not end at Saturn. It pressed outward, beyond Uranus and Neptune, past the edge of sunlight into the eternal night. As planets became mere pinpoints, the sun itself shrank into a distant star. And yet, Voyager moved on. In 2012, it crossed a boundary humanity had never crossed, the heliopause, the edge where the solar wind gives way to interstellar space. For the first time, a human-made object had entered the space between the stars. Its signals, traveling billions of miles, took more than 21 hours to reach Earth, faint and trembling across the dark. But within those signals were stories of particles, of magnetic waves, of plasma dancing through the void, and whispers of the unknown. Among these readings were strange pulses, rhythmic, structured vibrations that some scientists began to interpret as deliberate. Were they natural waves of interstellar plasma, or something more? Some suggested Voyager had brushed against unseen cosmic filaments, threads connecting galaxies across unimaginable distances. Others considered dark matter, invisible yet shaping the cosmos, interacting with the spacecraft in ways no one had predicted. The Song of the Stars. Voyager was no longer just observing. It had become part of the song of the cosmos. Among its instruments was the Golden Record, a time capsule of humanity itself. Greetings in 55 languages, the laughter of children, the song of whales, the heartbeat of a mother cradling a child. Images of Earth, our species, our animals, oceans, mountains, and skies. Music from Bach to Chuck Berry. Encased in gold, built to last billions of years, this record is humanity's message to the universe, a voice cast into the cosmic ocean. Yet even beyond the golden record, Voyager recorded subtle vibrations in space, waves that seemed alive, moving through the darkness like the breath of the galaxy. Plasma shifted, magnetic fields bent, anomalies appeared. The spacecraft had become our messenger, carrying information not just about planets, but about the fabric of space itself. The universe had begun whispering back, the legacy of Voyager 1. Now, nearly 15 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 1 drifts through a realm no human has ever walked, a region of space so vast that the sun is nothing more than a distant, brilliant pinprick of light. Its power slowly fades. Instruments that once sent torrents of data are dimming, their energy drawn from the heart of a small, fading plutonium core. Signals, once frequent, now take nearly 2 days to traverse the yawning emptiness between Earth and the spacecraft, moving at the speed of light yet seeming to take an eternity to arrive. Yet despite the distance, the spacecraft continues to speak. Even as its radio hum weakens, Voyager persists, a solitary voice whispering across the cosmic ocean. It is a ghost ship, a vessel carrying the essence of humanity into the infinite. It does not merely drift, it bears the imprint of a species that dared to dream beyond its own fragile world. Voyager is both creation and storyteller, a testament to human curiosity, resilience, and ingenuity. Voyager 1 is more than metal, circuitry, and instruments. It is a chronicle of our desire to reach out, to see what lies beyond the horizon of our comprehension. It carries knowledge of our planet, our species, and our longing to understand the universe. It embodies the courage of engineers who worked with the limited tools of the 1970s to build something that would outlast generations, a small human heartbeat in the vast silence of interstellar space. Its legacy extends beyond mere exploration. Every measurement it takes, every faint wave it records, is a message from humanity into the unknown, a reminder that we have always sought to illuminate the dark, to make sense of the unfathomable. Its cameras captured the roaring storms of Jupiter, the delicate rings of Saturn, and the hidden motions of moons previously thought lifeless. Voyager transformed the way we see our solar system, revealing worlds of astonishing complexity, beauty, and mystery. But the greatest discovery may not be in the planets it observed, nor the radiation belts it measured, nor the plasma waves it recorded. The greatest discovery is the proof that a fragile, human-made object can endure, navigating the cosmic sea for decades, carrying our voice across the abyss. It is a beacon, not only for distant civilizations we may never meet, but for ourselves. A mirror reflecting our potential, our determination, and our ability to leave a mark on eternity. Voyager 1 invites us to listen, to watch, to wonder. It reminds us that the universe is not a silent void, but a living expanse of mystery, energy, and hidden stories waiting to be uncovered. It teaches patience, humility, and awe. It reminds us that exploration is not just about reaching new places, but about understanding our place within the grand tapestry of existence. As it continues to sail outward, past the reach of planets, past the influence of our sun, Voyager carries humanity's essence into the infinite. Every signal it sends, faint though it may be, is a testament to the enduring power of curiosity and imagination. Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a messenger, an echo of Earth, a symbol of our eternal quest to understand, to explore, and to reach for the stars. In the silent darkness between worlds, Voyager 1 drifts onward. Alone, yet carrying the voice of billions. Silent, yet telling the story of an entire species. Forgotten by time, yet immortalized in the vast, unending sea of space. Its journey will continue long after we are gone, a reminder that the human spirit can reach farther than the imagination itself. Voyager 1 is humanity's voice cast into eternity, a testament that even the smallest creation can leave a mark on the cosmos, and that the universe, vast and unknowable, is waiting for us to listen, to learn, and to explore.